Good morning. I'm finally making a cup of tea. I try to actually have mint teas in the mornings these days, but I came downstairs and I just thought, oh, I just can't be bothered doing them later, arguing with my brother and sister about them. So we are done and dusted already, so it's fine. I am quite clearly ready. Doing a no makeup day and also apparently no jewellery day. I'm looking a bit bare here. But I'm getting ready to nip out because I'm going to pick up some cushions from my old maths tutor of all people, which is so funny because our village has, which I think is really good, it's this freebie site on Facebook where people just put whatever they don't want on there, and you can say, you know, I'll come pick it up and I want it and take it. So that's what I'm doing today. I need to go grab them because I thought they'd be good for our uni living room. And then at the same time, I'm also just going to nip to my nearest Boots opticians because my glasses, I don't know what's going on with them, but I don't know, they feel really loose and they slide off my face quite a lot. And then also you see these knobbly bits, I don't know what these are called. Oh, it's just focusing on my face, that's not very nice. They've gone green and they did this on my old pair of glasses and I think it's just the metal oxidizing with oxygen. And then obviously getting in there, but it just doesn't look very pleasant. So I'm going to go and see if they can change them for me, and also tighten my glasses. But I'm really scared they're going to make me pay and make me hand my glasses in and I leave in a couple days. Why does this door keep opening? I don't know if that's the wind or what, but oh, it must be because Arnie's in there asleep. Then also going out for dinner with my siblings, yay, because it's kind of our last hurrah. Because I move out on Saturday, my brother moves to uni on Saturday for his first year. Oh my goodness. And then my sister moves to Liverpool next week. My parents have one kid in each year of university. Every single child is in university this year. Momentous occasion. It wasn't supposed to happen because I am 2 years older than my younger sister, so should have technically graduated by now, but I did take a gap year, so there's that. Sorry parents, but yeah, I'm going to be in Salford, my sister's going to be in Liverpool, and my brother's going to be up in Newcastle. So it's really weird us all leaving. Whenever I think about it too long, I get sad because I'm like, oh my goodness, we're never all going to be living in the same house again. At least when we had Zach living here and he was still going to the local sixth form, it kind of felt, oh well, whenever I come back from uni there's at least somebody here, but now there's just not going to be, so I don't really want to speak about it. Can we just say what a miserable day it is as well? I mean, our skylights are quite dirty right now, but look at that. It is awful. It looks like it's going to tip it down. I would say autumn is well and truly here. Oh, do you know what I've also left out here the other day? Those are my sandals that I took to camp with me, and they get really smelly and dirty, so I put them in there with fabric softener. Have I moved them or anything? No. I'll put that on my to-do list for later because that needs doing before I leave. My brother hates when I drive this car because I have to oh my god, my sister has just peeked through that. Oh my gosh. What's up? I'm going, shh. Oh my gosh. I'm going to really quick to see if they can fix my glasses. You don't need to do that, do you? You don't need to go to the opticians. Do you?
I probably should, but it's fine.
Why is Tie-Dye Friday playing? Yeah.
And see if they can fix it.
Oh yeah, running. Yeah. I forgot you have the screw thing. Yeah, go grab it. Ow. Yeah, he hates me driving this car because I have to completely adjust. Oh, she really scared me then. I just looked up and I thought, I didn't even know she was, I forgot she was in the house, to be honest. I'm gonna be real, I haven't seen her in a couple days. Properly. That's a lie, actually. Not last night, but the night before. I don't know why, but when you're siblings and you're grown up, I feel like it's really difficult to keep track of where everybody is. But the other night, I was literally ready for bed. I was doing my skincare, I was in my pajamas, about to hop in bed, have an early night. They said to me, they came into my room, the little gremlins they are, and they said, Millie, we're bored. I said, oh, that sounds like a you problem. You're 19 and no, they're not. They're 18 and 20. I said, you can sort that out. You can figure that out for yourselves. And they made me get dressed, go out in the pouring rain, and we drove around our local back roads listening to music that I'd queued. So it was really fun, to be fair, but it was an odd thing. Okay, yeah, tell me what's wrong with them as well so I can...
Couldn't find the case.
So what's wrong with it? I'm gonna play this autumn playlist which I found the other day, which I love. A lot of Taylor Swift, which my brother hated, but whatever. I'm gonna get started! And these glasses look so much better. Oh my goodness, is that gonna focus? Get my head out of the way. You see that? So much better, they look like new. It did cost me £5 though, which I thought was a bit steep, to be honest, for changing a little bit of plastic on a pair of glasses, but whatever. I'm back home, I'm gonna finish my cup of tea, and I was gonna do some uni work, but my laptop's charging, so I'm gonna journal because I still have 5 days to journal from my road trip, and I just want to get it all down before I go to uni, and other things happen and I want to write about them. I'm a big journaler, big feelings girl who likes to write about her feelings rather than speak about them. Guys, tell me how I've just sat here for about 3 hours and journaled. My hand is about to fall off. Oh my goodness. I finished my road trip entries. Got my plane tickets there at the end of my road trip kind of entry. Look, let me show you. This whole section here is all just the road trip, which is insane. I really didn't journal that much, to be honest, when I was at camp. I've got a couple of pages left in this notebook, and I'm just gonna do kind of a wrap up of how I felt about the summer and how I feel being back home and stuff like that. And then also once I've done that wrap up, I'm gonna go through, because I've got all these pages that have got pictures in. So these are all from camp, these ones. And then I also have moments where I've stuck in stuff from when we were on the road trip that I want to kind of just label and annotate and things like that. Annotate, it's not an English lesson. Oh my god. That's my alarm for my massage. That scared me so badly. But yeah, that I'll just kind of label and things like that. So, my brother's driving me to my massage. Yeah. I'm gonna finish that tonight, I think. What do you know? What?
Oh, I didn't even touch it.
Try the edge bit. Oh,
I
okay.
can't touch it. I was too confident. Touch the edge bit, or jump.
I just put my bag on really wet.
Jump off the step, Millie.
Huh?
Jump off the step.
Okay, hold that. I need to run up, please.
What the hell was that?
I was gonna get you jumping, but you're not actually made it.
You can't. Are you like jump right now on the spot and get as high as you can? I can step higher than that. What? The...
Hold on. I need to not be laughing. Let me not look at you guys.
That is pathetic. What am I witnessing? You should be
Wait,
ashamed.
I can try. I can try. Oh, that was quite good, wasn't it? You have a go, Jen.
I can't jump to save my life.
Jump, Jenny.
What is wrong with you? Why can't you jump?
Huh?
Defy gravity.
Is that a female thing or just like
I'm so sexist.
No, I'm just genuinely asking.
Huh? That was a good jump.
You literally, I promise you, this is what you did.
What do you want me to do? Yeah, I can do that, but I've got a handbag and my camera. I've got a handbag and my camera, guys. We're going back into Sainsbury's. We've just been in Sainsbury's. Then we went to Tesco. Now we're back in Sainsbury's. Guys, we have actually just gone out for a meal at Pizza Express and I just didn't film any of it. So that's grand. I'm doing really well. We're gonna go home now. I'm gonna do some uni work. Jenny's gonna get drunk. And Zach, what are you gonna do?
Xbox, dunno.
Classic. A classic summary of the Bennett siblings. Oh, I've been
A classic song. It can sound like an alcoholic.
You're an alcoholic.
I think we're gonna steam up. Zach, I'm not plugged in.
Oh, we're not out the car park yet, so you're
You should always wait for your pupil to be plugged in. Oh, well, I've put my phone down again now. I keep doing this. Got good song choices, me.